Okay, this has happened twice. First time, I did not know what the hell was going on. Hopefully it'll do it here. I heard this weird noise this morning. And it was coming... Oh, did you hear it? It was coming from the heater. So of course I came over and I looked at the thing, and it looked like the heater was trying to come on. But, so I turned it down to where it wasn't trying to come on. And went to the bathroom, and I kept hearing it. So I thought something was wrong with the heater. Hopefully it'll do it again here in a minute. Maybe not. Ooh, sounds like Dad's home. Well, I caught it once anyway. Let me go out and show you what I found to be the problem. Hopefully it's still sitting there. There is a woodpecker. On top of the damn house. Hey! Psst.
Getting a picture of.
A funny thing that happened.
Yeah.
Here, hang on.